Namaskar friends, welcome to the session of Quality of India. Myself Aryan Vishwakarma. Friends, as we know that Six Sigma is a very popular methodology for making breakthrough improvement, and it is being practiced by almost all kind of industries, and they are reaping the benefits of having Six Sigma certification, because when they have Six Sigma certified people at various levels, then they are going to work on various improvement projects. So this is going to be beneficial for individuals and for the organizations also. Now let's first talk about individuals, how this is going to help an individual in their career. So certainly it is going to help the career advancement for individuals when you are certified to some level of Six Sigma. For example, you are certified to Six Sigma yellow belt or green belt or black belt. You have some caliber now for solving problems of some level of complexity. You go from yellow belt to green belt to black belt. As you move on from one ladder to the next level, you learn higher level of tools, techniques, and you have capabilities of solving problems of higher level of complexities. So there are multiple benefits for an individual and for the companies also. So let's learn about them. First of all, as an individual, it is going to help you in your career advancement. When you are certified, you have some knowledge about problem solving tools and techniques. So you are confident to manage certain critical situations, not only about tools and technique. This is also going to help you in managing situations, managing projects, managing various teams, managing people. So lot many different kinds of attributes you learn. And as far as Quality of India is concerned, in our program, we not only talk about Six Sigma tools or various problem solving tools, but also we teach them how to apply them. We have lot many problem solving tools and statistical tools, and we have case studies for almost all kind of tools, how to use them in Excel, and wherever applicable, how to use them in Minitab, along with the case studies also. Besides the tool applicability and the case studies, we have real world projects which is being solved by industry experts. In fact, many of the projects which I have personally mentored in my career of more than 20 years working with various multinational companies, managing different level of complexities, managing things at global levels also. So we have converted those projects into real world case studies, which is going to help you to understand how a complex level of projects can be managed through DMAC principle. So this is going to help you nurture your managerial acumen, your financial abilities also for understanding various financial elements. And you are also going to manage certain level of complexity. So this is going to make you a good leader also. You would be able to manage certain level of complexity. You would be able to decide what to do and what not to do, how to make a plan, how to drive a project, how to review things. And this is going to give you exposure of working in multiple industry. There are instances wherein we have seen that there are some issues in particular industries. So being a Six Sigma certified professional, you have an opportunity to move from one industry to other industry, because Six Sigma is being practiced in all kind of industry, and every organization wants to make breakthrough improvements. So as an expert, you can join any company to help them achieve their goals, and you can help the organization in their growth, in their path of making them operational excellent or achieving their vision. So Six Sigma not only going to help you in resolving various complex situations, this is also going to help the organization to build culture, and you can work there as a change agent. As far as salary is concerned, because many of the professionals I have seen, they are very particular about salaries, and they should be. So generally whatever we have seen that around 20 to 40% of the jumps they get usually when they have some level of Six Sigma certification. And it's not only about the salary jump, they have now credibility, and they are being respected by individuals, by the organization, by other professionals. We have stories from lot many professionals who have been certified from Quality of India, because Quality of India certificate is globally recognized, and we have people who have good knowledge about various tools and techniques. They understand the theory parts, they understand the applicability of each of the tools in a practical scenario. They are confident about solving problems. In fact, we have many professionals coming from other institutes who have been certified and they are carrying the certificate, but they don't have proper understanding of the Six Sigma concept. They don't know how to apply, where to apply, how to drive projects, and they come back to Quality Hub India for gaining knowledge and learning practical application. And that's what they get at Quality Hub India. So friends, there are questions like why Quality Hub India for Six Sigma certifications. First of all, friends, contents are very elaborative with lots of examples, case studies, practical scenarios. So you have proper understanding of every bit of Six Sigma, and the access period for the Six Sigma courses are very high. We have extensive Minitab Excel sheet exercises with real world case studies, and there are practice paper which you can practice them multiple times so that you can gain confidence to appear for the final test. And also there are lots of downloadable contents like ebooks, formats, PDF files, templates which you can download permanently and you can keep it for your reference. Our certificates are globally recognized and we have students from more than 60 countries currently who have acquired Six Sigma certification from Quality Hub India and they are excelling in their career path. Our courses are available in two languages, that is Hindi and English. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you can opt for Hindi language, or you want to go for English, that is also fine with us. So if you want to explore more about our online courses, you can visit our website www.qualityhubindia.com or simply visit to courses.qualityhubindia.com. There you will find many courses which are available in dual languages, that is Hindi and English. Select the language as per your convenience and you can buy the course from the portal, or you can go to the Google Play Store, download our app, and from there also you can buy the courses, you can start study. In case of any difficulty in buying our courses, you can contact our admin team, send mail to the mail ID, or you can simply call them. We are always available for your service. In case of any doubt during the study, you can contact our experts. We are available on call, we are available on email. You can participate in the discussion forum also, where you can discuss with the expert or peer-to-peer discussion and you can clarify all your doubts. Thank you friends for being part of Quality Hub India. Take care. Jai Hind.